Dear students, welcome to Blackboard. Prove the identity cos A minus sin A plus 1 whole divided by cos A plus sin A minus 1 equal to cosec A plus cot A using the identity cosec square A equal to 1 plus cot square A. So let us consider the LHS. LHS equal to cos A minus sin A plus 1 whole divided by cos A plus sin A minus 1. Here we need to use this identity. So to make the terms in terms of cosec square A and cot square A, let us divide throughout by sin A. Divide each term with sin A. We get cos A by sin A minus sin A by sin A plus 1 by sin A whole divided by cos A by sin A plus sin A by sin A minus 1 by sin A. We are getting like this. Now cos A by sin A, it is cot A minus sin A by sin A, it is 1 plus 1 by sin A, it is cosec A divided by cot A plus 1 minus cosec A. So we are getting like this, cot A plus cosec A minus 1 whole divided by cot A minus cosec A plus 1. Now we are going to change this 1, the 1 in the numerator position by using the identity cosec square A minus cot square A equal to 1. So this 1 we are going to replace like this. We are going to write there cosec square A minus cot square A. So we are going to write it in a bracket. So we get that is equal to cot A plus cosec A minus of in bracket cosec square A minus cot square A whole divided by the denominator is same cot A minus cosec A plus 1. Here this one we are not going to change. Now you see the numerator. Here this cosec square A minus cot square A is in the form A square minus B square. We can write it as A minus B into A plus B. So cosec square A minus cot square A we can write as cosec A minus cot A into cosec A plus cot A. So the next step is cot A plus cosec A minus of cosec A minus cot A into cosec A plus cot A whole divided by cot A minus cosec A plus 1. Now you see the numerator. The terms are first term cot A plus cosec A. Second term is cosec A minus cot A into cosec A plus cot A. So from these two terms you can see this cot A plus cosec A is common there. We can take outside. Here cot A plus cosec A. Here also cot A plus cosec A. We can take it out of the bracket. Then there is remaining. Here cot A plus cosec A we have taken out. There is remaining 1. Then minus of. Here this cosec A plus cot A we have taken out. There is remaining cosec A minus cot A. That we have written there. Then denominator same divided by cot A minus cosec A plus 1. Now you can see here is a bracket. We can remove it. We get cot A plus cosec A into 1 minus cosec A, then minus of minus cot A, that is plus cot A. So we get cot A plus cosec A into 1 minus cosec A plus cot A divided by Denominator also I am going to arrange. First I am writing this 1, then minus cosec A, then plus cot A. Now you can see here common terms 1 minus cosec A plus cot A in the numerator and denominator also. We can cancel it. There is remaining cot A plus cosec A. That is same as cosec A plus cot A. That is our RHS. So we have proved LHS equal to RHS. Prove sin theta minus 2 sin cube theta by 2 cos cube theta minus cos theta equal to tan theta. Consider the LHS. Sin theta minus 2 sin cube theta by 2 cos cube theta minus cos theta. So see the numerator, you can see sin theta is common and in the denominator cos theta is common. Let us take it outside the bracket. We get sin theta into 1 minus 2 sin square theta. We have taken sin theta outside from each term. So here there is remaining 1 and here is remaining minus 2 sin square theta. Similarly, below the denominator cos theta into 2 cos square theta minus 1. Now we are going to change this cos square theta as 1 minus sin square theta. We are going to replace it. So we get that is equal to sin theta into 1 minus 2 sin square theta whole divided by cos theta into 2 into 1 minus sin square theta minus 1. Now let us remove this bracket. We get sin theta into 1 minus 2 sin square theta whole divided by cos theta into 2 minus 2 sin square theta minus 1. Now this 2 minus 1, it is 1. So we get that is equal to sin theta into 1 minus 2 sin square theta divided by cos theta into 1 minus 2 sin square theta. Now let us cancel these two common terms. We get that is equal to sin theta by cos theta, that is equal to tan theta. That is the RHS. Prove sin A plus cosec A whole square plus cos A plus sec A whole square equal to 7 plus tan square A plus cot square A. So consider the LHS, that is equal to sin A plus cosec A whole square plus cos A plus sec A whole square. Let us expand it by using the identity A plus B whole square. A plus B whole square equal to A square plus 2AB plus B square. So let us expand both the terms. We get sin square A plus 2 sin A cosec A plus cosec square A plus next one cos square A plus 2 cos A sec A plus sec square A. Now in the next step, let us write this sin square A and cos square A together, then 2 sin A cosec A and 2 cos A sec A, then other two terms cosec square A and sec square A. We get that is equal to sin square A plus cos square A plus 2 sin A cosec A. That we can write as 2 sin A into 1 by sin A because cosec A is 1 by sin A. Next 2 cos A sec A. This sec A we can write as 1 by cos A. Then next term cosec square A, then sec square A. We know sin square A plus cos square A is equal to 1. Here this sin A and sin A cancelled, there is remaining 2. Here also cos A and cos A cancelled, there is remaining 2. Then remaining here cosec square A plus sec square A. Now these all terms, first 3 terms by adding we get that is equal to 5. Then cosec square A we can write as 1 plus cot square A by identity. Sec square A we can write as 1 plus tan square A by identity. Now let us add the numbers. We get 5 plus 1 plus 1, that is equal to 7 plus tan square A plus cot square A. That is our RHS. Prove cosec A minus sin A into sec A minus cos A equal to 1 by tan A plus cot A. So consider the LHS. Cosec A minus sin A into sec A minus cos A. Cosec A we are going to change as 1 by sin A. Sec A we are going to change as 1 by cos A. So we get that is equal to 1 by sin A minus sin A into 1 by cos A minus cos A. So let us cross multiply here. We get 1 minus sin square A whole divided by sin A into 1 minus cos square A whole divided by cos A. And we know 1 minus sin square A equal to cos square A. 1 minus cos square A equal to sin square A. So we get that is equal to cos square A by sin A into sin square A by cos A. This cos square A and cos A we can cancel, sin A and sin square A we can cancel. We get that is equal to cos A sin A. Now you take the RHS. The RHS is 1 by tan A plus cot A. This tan A we can write as sin A by cos A. Cot A we can write as cos A by sin A. So we get that is equal to 1 by sin A by cos A plus cos A by sin A. Let us cross multiply the denominator. We get 1 by sin square A plus cos square A whole divided by cos A sin A. That is equal to 1 into cos A sin A by 1, because we know this sin square A plus cos square A equal to 1. So we get that is equal to cos A sin A. Now you can see the LHS and RHS both are equal. Prove 1 plus tan square A by 1 plus cot square A equal to 1 minus tan A by 1 minus cot A whole square equal to tan square A. So let us consider the first one, 1 plus tan square A by 1 plus cot square A. By identity we know 1 plus tan square A equal to sec square A and 1 plus cot square A equal to cosec square A. So we get that is equal to sec square A by cosec square A. Sec square A we can write as 1 by cos square A. Cosec square A we can write as 1 by sin square A. So we get that is equal to 1 by cos square A divided by 1 by sin square A. Then multiply with the reciprocal of the denominator. We get that is equal to 1 by cos square A into sin square A by 1. That is equal to sin square A by cos square A. That is equal to tan square A. We have got the answer. Now let us consider the second part. 1 minus tan A by 1 minus cot A whole square. Here let us change this cot A as 1 by tan A. We get that is equal to 1 minus tan A by 1 minus 1 by tan A whole square. We can do the cross multiplication and in the denominator we get that is equal to 1 minus tan A by tan A minus 1 by tan A whole square. Let us multiply with the reciprocal of the denominator. We get that is equal to 1 minus tan A into tan A by tan A minus 1. Here this is 1 minus tan A and here it is tan A minus 1. We can make this also 1 minus tan A by taking the negative of it. So there will be a negative sign outside and it will become 1 minus tan A. So we can write that is equal to 1 minus tan A into minus tan a by 1 minus tan a whole square. Now let us cancel 1 minus tan a and there is remaining minus tan a whole square, that is equal to tan square a. Dear students, I hope you understood the topic in this video. If you have any doubt, please comment.